Well, my name is Chuck Pettis. I am the owner and creator of Earth Sanctuary. I'm a spiritual land artist. I do art to uplift people, to create sacred spiritual places. I don't know anyone who's meditating or praying too much, so I think we need a lot more of that. So these sacred spaces that I've created, Earth Sanctuary, are designed to provide an energy and a field that facilitates mindfulness, meditation, and prayer. The entire property is really energized with a variety of energy fields. We work in cooperation with the spiritual hierarchy, devas, nature spirits, Buddhas, bodhisattvas, landscape angel, all designed to help create a space that brings out the best in people, their highest self. We need to protect the earth. The earth is getting warmer. We're having problems with the earth. So I have no control over all that stuff that's going on. So I decided to take control of 72 acres and try and do an exemplary job. So we have a 500-year plan to return this property to mature old growth forest. We planted 15,000 native plants, 3,250 plus trees so far. And the trees and the plants are doing great. I also have created a retreat center here at Earth Sanctuary, which has been going now for 22 years. We have about 70 or 80 retreatants a year. It's non-denominational, and the retreat center is got a really good feeling to it. So I encourage people, if they want to do a personal spiritual retreat, that's a good place to do it. And then you're right on the property, so you can walk all the trails and visit the sacred spaces. The best meditation I know for helping with impatience and anger is calm abiding meditations. And the best one of those is the one where you focus on your breath and you breathe normally and you count your breaths. And counting your breaths focuses your attention, minimizes distraction, and then lowers your heartbeat, lowers your blood pressure, and helps you get centered again. I encourage you to come visit Earth Sanctuary, walk the trails, meditate at the sacred spaces, bring a friend, radiate love and kindness to all the friends you know, including your enemies, to help ameliorate the negative emotions and to bring more love to all beings and to reduce the suffering. Thank you.